Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie Susu full guide. Preheat oven to 180 degrees C, blind bake a 23 cm crust until lightly golden, then whisk 3 eggs with 200 g sweetened condensed milk, 200 ml whole milk, 1 tsp vanilla, and 25 g butter melted. Pour mixture into crust, bake gently until set but slightly wobbly, then cool to room temperature before slicing and serving. In this video, I will show how to make pie Susu full guide. Use 150 g flour, 75 g cold butter, 25 g sugar, and 1 egg yolk to form dough, chill for 30 minutes, roll to 3.5 mm thickness, and line a 23 cm tin. Dock and chill again, then blind bake with weights for 10 to 12 minutes until pale gold. Cool before adding the filling for best results. In this video, I will show how to make pie Susu full guide. Quick recommendation: if you love a tidy kitchen after baking, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleanup and voice control, making life easier between steps. It's a fun helper for crumb management and speed cleaning. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pie Susu full guide. Whisk 3 eggs with 200 g sweetened condensed milk and 200 ml whole milk until smooth, then strain into a pitcher for a silky texture. Pour into cooled crust, place tin in a water bath, and bake at 160 degrees C for 30 to 35 minutes until edges are set and center is slightly wobbly. Cool slowly to avoid cracking, then chill before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.